Okay, we came down to the Capitol today with Jai and Cetos just to kind of show, how sociable this dog is in all different types of environments, and just sort of set up a scenario like it would be if you went somewhere to go jogging with your dog. You're going to get out of your car and you're going to walk around, put the dog in a down stay, do your stretching exercises, and just sort of, get ready for your jog. It's important to know that you can have the dog with you wherever you go. The dog cannot protect you if he can't be with you. One of the really important things we talk about with a dog is it's a deterrent. We don't ever want you to have to use the protection dog, but having a protection dog will stop a situation that you never even know was there. Because right now there's a creepy guy hanging around behind one of these trees or one of these bushes or whatever, and he's been waiting, just sort of stalking for some victim to come along, unprepared, not paying attention. But as soon as he sees you with this dog, he's gonna go, nah, this is not a victim. This is someone who's prepared and is not going to be a victim today. So as you watch this dog move along, and this dog is super, but he's no exception. We have many very, very nice dogs like him that could take this walk with you or this jog with you, not impede your jogging, and be there as a force multiplier. In other words, he's there if you need him, and the great thing is he's going to stop the situation before it ever happens. You won't even know that this dog protected you because the bad guy just decided to pick someone else that day instead of you. So we're hoping to sell the deterrent, but as you'll see here in a minute, this dog is also equally prepared to be able to protect you if need be.
Hey, you got somebody?
Hey, get away from me!
Get away! Oh, God! Oh! Oh, get him off of me!
Stand still!
Oh, God! Oh, get him off of me! Get him off of me!
So you can see the control
I'm so
is
sorry.
critical. You've got to be able to out the dog. You've got to be able to reestablish obedience quickly, and that's exactly what you've seen. Now Jack could stop here, down the dog, let him guard that bad guy, pull her phone out, call 911, and everything's under control. Or she could just let the bad guy run away and be glad that she purchased a dog from Protection Dog Sales. Alright, that's a good job. Very proud. This is Super Dog. Cetos is his name. Give us a call.